Good evening, guys. Good afternoon, guys. You can see clearly today is budget day, and here the market took support from this 200 moving average as well as this pivot support, and the market rallied upwards. And you can see here that the market clearly broke towards the downside. You could have taken here as you could have seen short position over here. This is the chalk. So let's keep this aside. You can see the market sentiment is totally bearish now. As you can see clearly, the price is trying to fill up. Market actually consolidated here and broke the structure towards the high side. But what we need to see is that here also the market broke towards the downside, forming another break of structure. And if you consider the fib levels, the common point between this and the common point between this, you can see clearly the market came, took resistance from these fib levels. Market couldn't cross this fib line, guys. You can see clearly. And market is trying to rally downwards. So if you try to plot the fib extinction levels, the common point between this, the common point between this, and the common point between this, you can expect the market to come all the way here to 1.68 level, or there are high chances that the market might come all the way here. So this is the 1.68 level. So let's target till here to 48,800. Before that, you can see here also the market formed a chalk. So if you try to plot these levels, the common point between this, fib levels, um, the common point between this, the common point between this, and the common point between this. So this is the 1.68 level for the short retracement. There are high chances that the market might come here. So keeping our stop loss just above this VWAP level, guys. This is not the day VWAP. This is yesterday's VWAP level. So we are targeting all the way to this zone here. So we can trial our stop losses. Looking at premium charts, you can see clearly I've already taken long position over here at around 130. 340. The high chances the market would take support from here, continue further high. Our stop loss is just below this, guys. A minimum stop loss of around uh, stop loss, just 7 points of stop loss, guys. Look at this. The market is trying to rally upwards, input side, and the spot chart, the market will fall down. There might be huge premium fall from here. We are expecting all the way here, guys. Or if you look for any demand zone over here, you can see clearly demand over here. So this is one such demand zone where the price might come here. You can see clearly that that's overlapping. And as price is trading here, you can see there is certain amount of demand over here. So we need to see a close below this zone. So here you can see clearly the market broke that zone actually and continued further buying. Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. The market is trying to rally up all the way from 240 to 290 now. 400, 100 points of gain. Clearly, the market even broke this structure, so high chances that the market will continue all the way to this zone, guys. So this zone though is Paka, the 1.68 level. You can see clearly the market is falling. And if you look at premium charts or charts, you can see there is a good premium over here. And the RSI is trading above this 0.5, 50% above. So high chance the market again will go all the way to this zone here. This is our exit, guys. There might be good chances the market would go further also, but we'll exit because our risk to reward ratio is good at around 340 all the way to 476. I first expected bullishness because you can see after this bearish candle, the market tried to engulf this candle and closed above the 50% of this previous candle, this bearish candle. Mm, and signifying some sort of bullishness. But what actually happened is that look at this, guys, when the market tried to take support from here, broke structure towards the upside, and with the fair value gap, you can see clearly the market even broke structure with this fair value gap over here. If I go in detail to see where the fair value gap is, you can see this is the fair value gap. So what I expected is that the market would come take support from this fair value gap, and after this rejection candle, there would a rejection from this fair value gap. There might be high chances the market would continue here, take support from here, continue further buying. But after this bearish candle, which clearly engulfed this previous bullish candle, and if you try to plot the fib levels, after this candle, price is facing some sort of resistance over here, and clearly forming a chalk, broke structure towards the downside. And these two candles which broke this chalk was with a fair value gap here. You can see clearly this fair value gap. Market again retraced back, faced some sort of rejection from this fair value gap and continued further selling towards the downside. So if you consider the common point between this, the common point between this and the common point between this, the market definitely came to this 100% level. So what we are expecting the market to come is the 1.68 level. So here it was the 1.68 level. Let's hold on to our trade in case if the market comes, and you can see clearly that the market retraced back. We'll hold on to our position, guys. We'll trial our stop loss just here. We might trial our stop loss to 350 or something with a profit of around 50 to 60, 20 to 30 points. In case if the market retraces, because this bullish momentum is not what we have expected. But in spite, even after this bullish momentum, the market didn't cross this 9 moving average, guys. So there are high chances the market will continue further bearish. So this is our first target, and another target is this, guys. So we'll try to hold on to our trade as long as it doesn't cross this. So if you try, in case if the market tries to take support from here, here it might face some rejection over here and continue further buying towards the upside. This is our stop loss, guys. This is our, there is no way we could have continued further. We will exit our position once if the market has reached here. You can see even this fib, the pivot levels over here, which acted as support over here with 200 moving average support. And now it, when it broke towards the downside and market retraced upwards, now this zone is acting as resistance, clearly indicating some sort of bearishness. So what we want to see is the downward fall from here. Our 0.5 100% target is done, but we actually placed our target to this level. Actually, this is the 100% level, and this is 1.68 level. So this is our target actually. The high chance that the market will continue further buying, guys. In case if you might have entered long position, you can even enter now, keeping your stop loss just below this zone, guys. If you have entered here, also you can enter here, and trailing all the way here as well. This is another entry also. Keeping my stop loss has this was my entry and this was my stop loss. My trial stop loss. Now you can enter actually here itself and try going all the way upwards. So I'm expecting a bullish momentum due to market. I'm expecting a bearish momentum because today is budget day. There's no proper trade. And you can see after this bullish momentum towards the upside, small doji candles are forming, clearly indicating some sort of bearishness. And if you try to plot the anchor wave level here and the anchor wave of this support, these two zones is acting as resistance over here. So in case if the market clearly breaks these two anchor wave up levels with a fair value gap or any bullish momentum, we'll exit our trade, guys. Or as long as it doesn't crosses this zone over here, we'll try to hold on to our trade and continue further lows. The high chances the market will take this low as well. As you can see clearly, market broke yesterday's low towards the downside. So the high chances the market will reach to previous low as well. And as I've told you, you could have entered long position now. And in case if the market is not, in case if the market makes lower low here, guys, with no premium moves, there is better to exit the trade. In case if the market breaks this low with no higher highs formation in here, it's better to exit because premium has been exhausted. Here you can see some sort of bullishness over here in the call side. As you can see clearly, market is trying to engulf with a fair value gap as well. So we want to face some sort of rejection from here, guys. So you can see clearly the market broke here and we can expect a equal size bearish candle. Only then we can expect bearishness, or is there high chances the market would continue further. A close below this one is what we are expecting, guys. Not just big rejection. Always wait for close, guys. Close of the candle, because close is very important. You can see this bullish momentum candle, guys, look like a large sell-off candle after this consolidation. And you can see the market now trying to close more than half of yesterday previous bullish candle, you can see. We consider this to be bullish, and the market is trying to close below this candle also. There are high chances that this candle will go more bearish and engulf this previous bullish candle. You can see clearly it almost engulfed this previous bullish candle. And if you look at the premium charts, you can see clearly the price took support from here to this VWAP level and continue further upward momentum. So you can enter even now long position, guys, expecting the market to go further upwards in the put side, and in spot side. There might be high chance the market would go bearish. We are expecting a good fall, guys. A close below this zone is where we expect the market to fall drastically towards the downside. So this is one kind of target, and this is another target, guys. So once our target is done, you would trial our stop losses. We'll try to hold on to our position, guys. And you can see clearly there is very high chances the market would continue further bearish, because you can see this moving average confluences here. The distance between these moving averages is bearish, and you can see price rejection from this 200 moving average as well as VWAP over here. And here you can see this 200 moving average blue color line in VWAP is trying to stay close to this zone where there is high chances that the market will form some sort of support over here and continue further bullish momentum. So let's take this off, guys, because it looks quite weird. So there are high chance the market again would take support here and continue further high. So and continue low here in this spot chart. And in Nifty also is in confluence, guys. There are high chances the market will continue further bullishness, further bearishness over here. You can see price facing some sort of rejection from here, the pivot levels uh, in Nifty. So you can expect a huge downfall. And you can see clearly, guys, here. Let's take this out. Anyways, this low is gonna take. You can see clear this 9 moving average rejection, guys. In case if you want to enter quick scalping, guys, you can enter short position just here, keeping your stop loss just below this rejection candle, guys. I'm telling you, there are very high chances that the market will continue further bearishness. So we can expect all the way here. This is just a scalp, guys. In case if you want to enter midway between the trade, you can expect this low or any loss to be taken and continue further bearishness. You should always add on your trades to your winning positions and cut your losing trades, guys. Some people will always try to add on to their losing trades to make the trade go be break even in a hope that okay, the market might come to their position, but that doesn't usually happen, guys, because there is always high chances that the market uh, is going against your direction, because the trade analysis what you have done is totally false. So in case if you want to add on to your position, you could have added your position here as well, expecting the market to go further in favor of your direction. This is the bigger picture, and here you can see market is trying to take support from here and continue further towards the upside. Let's look at spot chart, guys. A close above that zone is what is more important, guys. You can see the market came all the way to our zone here, to our SL, but then high chances the market might face rejection, continue further low. We need to wait for this close, guys. As long as it doesn't closes, it doesn't make sense to exit that trade. You can see close. Look at this, guys. I told you guys, it's just a manipulation over here. There are high chances the market will go. A close above this zone is what we are always trying to look, guys. As long as the market doesn't close above this high, you would have exited. You can see the market went all the way here, but it didn't close and rejected from here, clearly indicating bearishness. So there are high chances that the market would continue further towards the downside. Look at this, guys. The market again faced rejection from this moving average, 21 moving average, and market is clearly trying to break down. It closed below this zone with a fair value gap over here. There are high chance the market would continue further. The market clearly closed below that zone. So you can consider this hold to be a fair value gap. This definitely will go around the breakaway gap. You have entered short position here, guys. Still we are holding on to our position, expecting the market to go all the way to our 1.68 level. You can see clearly. As we have taken a position at 260, the market is now trading at 400. You can see the market trying to break this low as well. But here in this momentum, the market is trying, is nowhere between here. We want to see good premium moves over here as well to break this high as well. In case if the market doesn't break this high, we will exit our position. Or if the market price all the way reaches to our 1.68 level, we'll try to exit our position, guys. Look at this, guys. As I have told you, the market clearly broke this low with a very good momentum. So our 1.68 level target is done, guys. You can exit our positions. So as I have told you my trade analysis, the market on this retracement again took support from here. As I already mentioned you my trade from all the way to 240 to 326, guys. I think this momentum and another retracement trade also you could have taken, clearly indicating very good bullish momentum. Look at this, guys. The market is trying to go again further high. Our target is here, guys, as we have already mentioned. But here you can see the market hit our target, so the market is trying to again go lower. So in case if the market reaches our pivot, also we'll exit. But we'll try to trial our stop loss all the way to 225 now, guys. In case if the market retraces or if it hits, we'll exit here at 270. Or you can easily exit your position also, guys. There is no need of holding on to your trade. And you can see clearly how the market had moved. And you can see clearly our target was 1.68 level. The market came all the way, or you could have even exited here also. This was our target as well. You can trial your stop loss still here also if you, in case if the market is too bearish. I thought will exit my trade, guys, because you can see clearly almost like 200 points of profit here. 100 points I have captured. I think capturing 100 points in Bank Nifty, it's a very big deal, guys. I hope you guys understand, guys. Mm, my trade logics and how I actually trade now. Mm, please like, share, and subscribe, guys. You can expect here also very good momentum. This is another break of structure. You can see clearly the market is retracing, but the premiums are not moving. You can see the market is trying to break this low as well, but here the market is not breaking the high. We exit our position, guys. It's enough. I think we have made a good decent profit till here. In case if the market reach all the way to 275 also, it's well and good, but based upon our risk to reward ratio, I think, so you can see clearly the market even broke this high. Look at this, guys. Look at this. 260. You can see here the market came all the way here. You can even exit now also, guys. Look at this, how easily the market had gone all the way. That's it, guys. That's it. Hope you like, share, and comment, guys. And hope my trading knowledge here is helpful for you. Thank you, guys.